how are you doing today? Today I want to show you one whiskey based drink, the Whisky Sling. But before we start with the drink, I want to say thank you to one of my subscribers from who I received this wonderful cocktail book with many interesting recipes. So the recipe for today is the owner of the gift I took from that particular book. So I want to say thank you to Maria Johansson for sending me this, and I hope I will find a few more interesting things to share with you in the future. I don't have too much information about this particular drink, but that means the video will be shorter, so let's not waste more time and go for it. We take our shaker, and in the shaker we pour 2 ounces of whiskey. Some recipes says you can use bourbon, others says you can use blended Scotch whiskey. It's depending on your flavor, on your taste, and what you have at home. Personally, I will try today with blended Scotch whiskey. I have naked grouse. So 2 ounces straight into the shaker. And to that we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 ml of lemon juice. The recipe calls for fine granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon. However, I think it will take slightly longer to dissolve. So for the sake of the video, I will use simple syrup. So I will go with 1/4 of an ounce, 7.5 ml of simple syrup. We have that as well. And last but not least, 1 ounce of cold water. So 30 ml of water. Okay, so we take our glass of choice and we add some ice to it. And we add some ice to the shaker as well. And we shake. Take our Hawthorne strainer and we strain into the glass. Okay. Again, I don't have enough ice. Okay, so let's add some more ice to the drink. And we're gonna garnish with a lemon zest. Smells delicious. So we release some of the oils over the drink, and that is how we make the Whisky Sling. Thank you, Maria, once more for this wonderful book, and thank you everyone else for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.